everybody. We're doing something a little bit different today. As you can tell, I'm kind of all congested and sniffly. And so is Tyler a little bit. So he went and got a Nettie Pot today.
Is it called Nettie Pot? Because this says Nellie Pot.
They're called Nettie Pots, but those are like off-brands. So we're gonna test this little thing out. See how well it works. Focus. It doesn't want to focus on it. It wants to focus. There we go. So apparently we can't find the instructions.
I'm trying to find it. Oh, here we go. Nettie Pot. Yeah.
What do we gotta do?
Please wash your hands and rinse the device, which I just did. Fill the NASA flow. With 8 fluid ounces of lukewarm distilled filter or previously boiled and cooled down water. You can use the bottled water we have.
Okay, we can give that a shot.
Always rinse your nasal passages with Nellie medicines, right? They give us a lot of...
Oh dear lord, okay, so we're gonna be doing that a lot.
Okay, I guess it's a mixture of USP grade, sodium chloride, and sodium carbonate.
Dang, they hook you up. Okay, so I just filled the water up 8 fluid ounces, and we're gonna put this in the microwave for 6 seconds.
Does it have a thing on it? It tells you how many ounces are in there?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that. 5 to 10 second intervals, Michelle. I don't think our microwave does 6 seconds.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, look at that. I didn't know how to work the thing.
Apparently my husband doesn't know how to work the microwave.
Well, usually you just press the buttons. This one's weird. Actually,
That should be good. It should be warm enough. Okay, now you're gonna put that thing in there, right? And then we're gonna go into the bathroom to do this?
yes.
Do you have to like mix it or anything?
Says pour solution in sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate or something like that. Tighten the lid and then put one finger over that and mix it up.
Alright, so Tyler's gonna give it a shot. This is gonna be interesting.
It is. I feel like I'm gonna get a whole bunch of stuff in my beard.
Keep your mouth open and breathe.
Oh, that feels weird.
You look weird. You're supposed to only use half, dear. Is it awkward?
A little bit. You could feel it go up your nasal passage and then boot around and come back down. It's like, alright, I'm gonna do the other side. And
That's so weird how it like does that though.
I don't think I used half.
I mean, you can switch it back.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, God.
Go get a tissue.
I am.
How do you feel? I'm glad I didn't get that on film. That was gross.
Yeah. I just felt that draining down the back. I definitely have something crawling back there now. Alright, somebody jumped the gun.
Sorry. Oh, that's gross.
Keep breathing out your nose.
I am so congested. Did you see the booger that came out?
No.
It was pretty big.
That hurt. Ew.
Yeah.
That one was nasty. That's how congested you are. You can't really come out that well.
Oh. So gross.
It all washed down the sink already. Darn.
Can you get me a napkin?
Yes.
My face is like covered in this stuff.
You give me.
Thank you.
Don't. Yeah, there you go.
Ugh. That is the weirdest feeling ever.
Do this with some ear candling. We'll have all our sinus cleared out.
God, I need it. I actually have the ear candling thing still.
We have one of them.
Yeah. My face is like covered in this stuff. You do this like twice a week, I think.
I don't know how to read about it. But judging by what come out of yours, you're more congested than I am.
Because I'm always sick.
Yeah.
When it comes to sinuses, at least.
You're better than with that.
I feel better though.
Can you like breathe out your nose?
Still only this side. I've never been able to breathe out both nostrils at the same time. I don't know.
Maybe you got to do it more than. I nothing really came out of mine except for maybe some stragglers.
Well, I also just had a sinus infection like 2 weeks ago.
I know, but I'm saying is like I didn't have, like I just got some stragglers, maybe some stuff that was way in the back that I could never get out or
like,
blow.
There was actual snot coming out of my nose, which is gross.
You had straight up balls coming out.
I definitely recommend this. If you have allergies, get one of these. I'm going to start using this twice a week.
Well, there's more than just that one too. There's actually other ones that like spray up in there. There's one for your ears too.
Interesting.
I'd be interested in try that because
if you're like me and you're super allergic to pine and like clogs up everything, definitely get one.
Especially around this time of year.
Yeah.
And everything is pine.
Yeah.
I can breathe.
I can kind of breathe. Maybe I won't snore tonight.
I don't know, you woke up this morning and I went to go put some clothes on and you would like roll over and Abba. Alright, so that little thing. Groovy like some kind of movie in the old timing days. Tiny. I think this kit, it was $14.99.
Yeah, Publix.
Yeah, and it comes with like 50 packets, and you use one packet per rinse, so you get a good 50 rinses out of your cavities.
I definitely feel better.
Yeah, I feel, I don't know, clearer up here now too, which is good. Like in this area, it feels like...
Yeah, like right here.
Not so much pressure anymore.
I can still feel like snot in this nostril.
Well, I mean, like I said, you're still more congested than I am. I was just a little like pressure
like,
right here and here,
and twice a week for it to even like work correctly.
I don't really feel that much anymore. I might do it again, a couple of like maybe Thursday or Friday when we do our cleanse. We're also doing a chemical cleanse for this. So
I need it. My body does not like me anymore.
Yeah, we're gonna see about that. So
the new diet starts next week.
Mostly just the exercise.
Well, yeah, that and eating healthier.
Well, we haven't been really doing too bad. Just the nights when you forget to lay out something, we have to eat pasta.
Shut up.
Alright.
Live your life on the brink. Bye.
And clean your sinuses.